Hey guys, Ainsley here with Wave Electronics. Today, pretty exciting times for us because we just got a new line of CCTV security cameras and recorders. The brand is called Illumivue by Master Brand. The complete lineup is NDAA and FCC approved. Also, it has a 3-year warranty. All of the cameras in the lineup, whether they're IP or TVI, have the ability to see color at night. There's two technologies that we want to talk about today. One is night color and then night light. Night color allows the camera to see color at night by using just a small fraction of ambient light, whether it's a street light or a small floodlight on the side of the house, whatever the case may be, it has the ability to see color at night with just a little bit of ambient light. But let's say on your piece of property, you don't have any light whatsoever, it is pitch black. Well, we do have a technology called night light, and just as the name mentions, there are two small white LEDs that will automatically come on if there is no ambient light coming into the camera, and also for the camera to produce color at night. Really exciting technology within the entire lineup. And this is all sold exclusively through Wave Electronics. We should have it in stock in all 9 locations very soon. But today we're going to go through the setup of the NVR. We want to be able to customize, or for you to customize each recorder with the appropriate amount of hard drive space for your end user or your application. So today we'll go through the installation of the hard drive, then we'll go through the complete setup of the NVR and show you how to kind of maximize the system, not only for recording space, but also for performance. So let's get started. Step 1 is after you open up the box, you want to start removing 6 screws located around the outside perimeter of the chassis. First, you can start off with the rear. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on either side. So with each recorder, you get 2 sets of cables. One is a SATA cable. This is the actual signal produced from the recorder to the hard drive, and then you have a power cord as well. So you've got 2 sets that come with each recorder, just in case if you want to install 2 separate hard drives. In this case, we're only installing one 1 terabyte hard drive. Once you have the recorder opened up, you can pretty much easily identify the SATA connection, and it is labeled HD1, and then there is another one that says HD2. It is important that whenever you're installing just one hard drive, that you plug it into HD1 or SATA drive 1. Very important. If you plug it into SATA drive 2 and you only have one hard drive, it will not recognize it or record it. There has to be one plugged into SATA drive or HD1. I like to plug in the power cable first. You can only plug them in one way. So after it's plugged in, just make sure it's firmly seated into its connector. Then plug in the SATA cable, and it should make an audible click whenever you push it all the way in. You can take your hard drive, and the hard drive should have 4 threaded holes for your screws, or all of our recorders come with screws. And so you can just hand thread these in just a couple of turns. You can now plug in the hard drive. So, once again, it can only go in one way. If you notice where the hard drive goes into, it's a key hole slot. And so you can start your screws, push it in, slide it in, and then tighten it from the back. The last thing to do is install the shroud cover over the recorder.